Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's reading lesson for Friday, June the 12th, 2020. Today we will be reading the book I Won't. So, as usual, we'll go ahead and go over the sight words. But this time, I'll start with one sight word that is a little bit different. This is called a contraction. So, this word won't is actually a contraction, meaning you're putting two words together of will not. So won't means will not. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our other sight words. All right. So our first sight word for our other sight word is scary. Scary. Now you try. Our next word is song. Song. Now you try. Our next word is picture. Picture. Now you try. Our next word is sounds. Sounds. Now you try. Our next word is story. Story. Now you try. Very good. So are you ready for our story for today? All right, let's get to it. Alrighty, everyone. So the first thing that we will go ahead and take a look at is the cover of the book. I won't. Okay. So again, I will not or I won't, which is also known as a contraction. That's right. It's when you put two words together. Okay. Put two words together and there is an apostrophe as well. So here we say two people, right? Okay, what do you think about them? Okay, they might be related, right? So I see the sister, it might be the sister here. Possibly the brother here. Won't know until we read it. Alright, so let's see what the next couple of pages, what we can tell from the next couple of pages. So looking at the next couple of pages, I don't think I've gone over that, is called a prediction. A prediction is when we take a look at something, or we see something, and we kind of try to figure out what's going to go on in that story. So let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, I won't. Okay, what do we see here? All right. Okay, here we have some books. Possibly a scary book. Over here. They seem to be together in these two pages. What about here? Yeah, so this looks like the cover, right? Kind of like the cover, except without the little thought bubble right here. This is called a thought bubble because he's thinking of something. How about this one? Looks like art with crayons. Here it looks like both of them are doing something. And here, what do we have here? Okay, she's here with a flashlight in the dark. And here, oh, it looks like a monster here on the TV. So this is what this is what TVs used to look like a long time ago. They were small. They weren't as big as you see them now. You probably have a big TV in your house. I know I do, but it's a little bit older. And we have Boo. But it doesn't look like a scary Boo, right? It looks like Mom is laughing. It looks like they're smiling. So, all right. So our prediction is that they might do scary stuff, or at least think of scary stuff. And let's see if they do it. Oh, another thing that we also need to look at. Is this a fictional story or nonfiction? Well, it looks like possibly nonfiction, but since we don't know if it really happened, then it's gonna be a fictional story. All right, so let's go ahead and start reading from the beginning. I won't. Will you read me a scary book? No, I won't. Will you make me a scary mask? No, I won't. And if you notice here, I said mask because this means that it's going to be a question. There's going to be a question. So the boy is asking someone a question. So you have to make sure that you don't say mask. You say mask. Will you sing me a scary song? No, I won't. Will you draw me a scary picture? No, I won't. Will you make scary sounds? No, I won't. Will you tell me a scary story? No, I won't. Will you watch a scary show with me? No, I won't. Will you help me scare Mom? Yes, I will. Now notice that we saw this punctuation mark. It's called an exclamation mark. So you exclaim something. You say it when you're super excited about something. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this again and notice how I say it. Yes, I will. So the sister sounds like she's excited about something, and we also have an exclamation point over here. So how would you say boo? Would it be boo or boo? Which one? Boo or boo? That's right. Since it has an exclamation mark, then you're going to say boo because they're trying to scare someone, right? So you're going to say it as loud and as loud as you can with a lot of emotion. That's what the exclamation mark is there for. All right, so you know the drill. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and let you read the book on your own. This time I'm gonna go a little bit slower. I realized that last time I went a little bit fast. Now I'm gonna give you a little bit more time to read as well. Are you ready? All right, let's go. And remember that inflection, won't. And remember the question mark here. Make sure you say, will you make me a scary mask? Mask? No, I won't. And remember with the yes, I will. Make sure it sounds excited. Yes, I will. All right, good job. So let's go ahead and go to the question portion of our lesson. So, we kind of talked about this before, but what does it look like? What is the relationship, or what does it look like? Um, how are both of the characters seem to be related? Are they friends? Are they brother and sister? What do you think? So it looks like they're coming up, or he's coming up with all sorts of ideas. But you know how we know? In this page it says, "Will you help me scare mom?" So when someone says, "Will you help me scare mom?" it doesn't say my mom, because it would just be his mom. It's definitely both of their moms, right? So mom, sister, and brother. Very good. So throughout the book, what's the difference between the boy and the sister? That's right. He wants to do scary things, but she does not want to do any scary things. She only agrees to it possibly at the end because it seems like when they scare mom, it seems like a fun thing. All right. So, who is missing in the story? Do we um do we possibly see a brother? Do we see a father? Do we see a friend? Right, all of them are missing. So we just have the three characters, the boy, the sister, and the mom. Okay. And what does the word scary mean here in this story? Scary. So here we see a scary show. Scary story. Scary sounds. Scary picture. Scary song. Scary mask. And scary book. What do you think it means? That's right. Scary makes me think of Halloween. So, scary things or things that kind of spook you happen during that time. All right, and for our last question, how does our story end? So here we have the beginning of the story, more towards the middle, and the end. So how does the story end? That's right. The sister and the brother finally agree, which means that they want to do the same thing, and that is to scare their mother. Alrighty, everyone. So that is it for our reading today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know which story was your favorite for this week. I will not be able to add a title today for Friday, but I will for sure add some more music and some other things for our Monday cast. All right, I will see you in the meetings.